Hi there, this is Darren Spiker at Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we're working on a little project here. We're going to try and fix this chair where it's broke here. I don't know how well we can see that crack in there. So let's see what we can do about that. See if we can get it fixed and clamped, and we'll see if it actually becomes useful again. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and just hold the chair in a way to spread the crack open as much as we can. And after that, we want to see how much we can force the glue down into the crack here. It's alright if we're going to get a bunch all over everything. Everything we can do to jam it down in there. We're going to wipe off the excess glue here in a second. Paper towel for the fingers. We're going to try and pump more glue down into the crack as best we can. Okay, now that glue is penetrated pretty good. It's coming out the bottom, and so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe it off a little bit. Use a few paper towels if you need to, because they're, in the big scheme of things, not that expensive. And then we've got a wood clamp we're going to use. Just about any kind of clamp that you have available would be just really nice. And then we're going to clamp that back together, get it nice and tight. That's going to force a bunch of glue to come out the seams, which is kind of exactly what we would like to see. And then what we're going to do is we're going to wipe off that initial glue. It's kind of spilling all over everything. It's going to be a little hard to do, so we'll have to just take our time and get it real nice. Try not to glue the clamp to the chair. And then, of course, underneath of this, we've got a paper towel on a school lunch tray, just in case we have some drips down there that we care to get to. I'm going to clean out that little thing in the back there that's going to be a little more tedious and hard to do holding the camera, but I'm going to clean that out. And then we're going to let this dry for about 24 hours, and then we're going to take the clamp off. And we'll see if it holds. Alright, it's the next day, so it's been about 14-15 hours since we glued this. You can barely tell even where the crack was, except for maybe here. But yeah, it all looks pretty good. We're going to take the clamp off. Everything should be good. And we'll probably even give it a day or two to harden more. I don't even know if the glue still hardens at this point or if it's just done, but I think overall we're in pretty good shape here on this little chair glue repair we did. Thanks for watching.